got a 28,000 gallon chlorine hippo pond with a liner that we're going to convert into a swimmable pool for human beings. This was a disaster. We completely updated the sand filter. We disconnected it, we washed it, rinsed it, took everything apart, looked at every component, put it back together again, added fresh sand, drained the water 3 times. The cyanuric acid level was off the charts. The only way to correct that is by adding new water. And with a liner, it'll float, so you have to do it incrementally. Now we're at the final stages of balancing the pool. 28,000 gallons. We started with our shock, 3 pounds. It actually says 1 pound per 12,000 gallons. 3 pounds of shock at night, scrub, let the filter run all night long. In the morning, scrub, add algicide, visible algae growth. Add an initial dose of up to 128 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons. I added 3 gallons with the filter running. Then at night, add another 3 pounds of shock. Oh yeah, we're killing everything in this pool. That's how it's gonna be. The chlorine level is gonna be off the charts, but that's okay. We're gonna have to add more fresh water and vacuum out this existing water. It'll create balance when we're done. We're at the last step of chemical additions, and we're going to use the flocculant. Some of them are called fallout or dropout. It's a flocculant. Turn the pool off, backwash, 2 minutes. Rinse the filter, 2 minutes. Set it to recirculate. Once you've backwashed and rinsed, now's the time to remove your filters. Good opportunity to clean everything out. We're gonna go straight into the skimmer basket. Let this work for 2 hours. It's 16 ounces into each one. If you have one skimmer basket, just pour it all straight into that. No need to measure because we're using the whole thing. Just turn it to recirculate. It is now recirculating. It's not going through the filter. But yeah, look at this algae in here. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm gonna clean out the filters. I'm gonna run it for 10 minutes. Then the filters go back in and we walk away for 2 hours. Then we shut the whole thing down until tomorrow for 24 hours. Good morning. Today's the next day. We have a crystal clear pool with a green shag carpet looking bottom. That's the dead algae that fell to the bottom. We killed it. Now we have to vacuum. These are a better representation of what I did to fix the steps. JB Weld, this will be the black dots there, the JB Weld black dots. This will be painted over. We'll use fiberglass paint. As you can see, the pool is holding water just fine. It's gross. It's disgusting. 9 a.m. about Wednesday the 13th. The bulk of the algae is around the edges in a corner. That is going to be the primary focus of vacuuming, because once we start vacuuming, we're going to be stirring up the water. We need to get the bulk of the mess out first. Otherwise, this water can potentially turn cloudy very quickly, so we have to move very fast. Let's do an equipment overview. These suck. This is designed to create a seal for pressure for vacuuming. They suck. They don't work. It's garbage. They crack. The seals aren't very good. They don't create the amount of pressure that we need. So we're going to go tie straight into the waste valve. This is algae. It's going to go right into the city sewer. Our hose, we have to prime it. It has to be filled with water. So we're going to plug it into here. We're going to fill it with water. They all are notorious for these pins breaking. I don't know what it is. The suction on the pool, the pressure, this pin breaks. As did this one. It goes there. It goes like that. Simple hack, if you own a pool, you know this. You get a good strong zip tie or two, and you go through and you just recreate the pin that holds it together. So I always have a zip tie handy in case something breaks, because they do. Procedurally, first step, we're going to close the floor drain. We're only going to operate out of the west. We're going to move this to waste, turn it on. Hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more Trophy Husband Pool Boy videos like this. I'm going to stop right there for a minute because we lost pressure. The water level is down. Let's see, you can see it on this stained liner right there. Skimmer basket level. We've lost a lot of water, obviously. Let's take a look at what we vacuumed so far. And you can see it's starting to get a little bit cloudy. I'm going to add some water gently and build up the pressure again, and then we'll vacuum the rest. Gently adding water, not to disrupt the algae over there. Nice and calm. We want to keep the water as still as possible. Not exactly a fun process, but a nice pool sure does make the summertime a lot better. Tree service is here, so if it gets loud, this is the reason. I'm gonna crane in my neighbor's backyard, cutting down limbs. Giant, massive tree over our pool. Hopefully we don't get any tree shit in our pool as I'm cleaning it. I'm happy about it though. I'm not complaining. We have a neighbor who's taking care of his property just like we are. That's awesome. Could be worse. Okay, we're done vacuuming. System's off. It's the same day, just to confirm. The pool is blue again. It's getting cloudy. That's from stirring everything up as we're vacuuming. This looks like it is on there good. I'm gonna need to get in there with a brush and just put a lot of pressure. You wanted a pool. The kids wanted a pool, right? This is what goes with it. If we leave it right here and say it's good enough, it's gonna come back. All right, because the water level is low, we're gonna turn this off now. Now they're all off. Turn the floor drain on. Set that to filter. We're adding water. Dolphin is in. And we're about to start scrubbing and filtering, but our sand filter is new. We just replaced everything. So that's clean. It's not caked with algae the way it was. It's been washed, cleaned. New sand is in there. Everything operates perfectly. We're gonna use the equipment the way it's designed to be used. Dolphin scrubs. I'm gonna help it manually scrub, and we're gonna set it on filter to get all this funk out of here. And when the water level gets up to the top, higher up on the top step, then we're gonna open up the skimmer baskets. So everything runs beautifully. Let's get this thing cranked up. Got pressure. We've got a blue pool. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Trophy Husband Pool Boy content such as this all season long. Enjoy the summer. Cheers.